Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to join objects in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this object joint. First of all, adjust your object. Okay, then hold Control. Press Control E. See this joint object and use shape. See this single. How to select single object joint. First of all, adjust your shape. Okay, then hold Shift. Not show combine shape. Hold Shift, press Ctrl E. Or perfectly. Hold Shift, press Ctrl E. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.